My programs. Remote eye.
Now ready to receive a call, the remote eye, the remote support system. So I'm sitting at the desktop version that is browser-based. We prefer, no, we recommend to use Google Chrome and then put this URL and login. And then we can see now that's a person calling. Now we can click the icon. If we want to create a summary with AI, then we click here and then we choose the language of the call. And then after the call, we will have a summary and also the transcription of the call. So now we connect to the glasses.
Can you hear me, Helen?
Hello. Yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
So you are standing in front of the engine and you want some help?
Yeah. It doesn't work, so please help me.
Okay. I will try to help you, and then meanwhile, I will also show the remote eye solution. So if you want to put more oil to the car, you can go here. Now I'm clicking my mouse to show you where the oil can be filled. And also you can check the oil by taking this stick up. As you can see, when I use the stop, it freezes the screen. And that's so you don't have to stand still. You can still work, and then I can freeze the screen for my place. But I can also take a picture, and I can do what we call live drawing. So now I took a picture of what you're looking at, and then it's streaming into your screen. So can you see the picture on the screen now?
Yeah.
So now I can mark where this is where you put the engine oil on, and this is also where you have to check the oil. Can you see the marks on the screen?
Yes, I can.
Perfect. So now I'll just save it for my own documentation in my library. In the library, there will be all pictures and videos from the call, so I can save it for later. So maybe if you can have a look into I will zoom in. So if you could look into the thing where you put on more oil, yes, please. And then I will just take a picture.
Yeah.
So yeah, here we go. And I will save it in my library as well. We could also, if I want to, if you had like a barcode on you're looking at a barcode, then I could scan it from clicking this button. I don't have a barcode, so I cannot show it. But if you click that button, then you will actually get the number of the barcode and not only a picture of the barcode. So you can use it if it's a spare part, for instance. You can use the number to search from different spare part system, or I'll put it in your comments so you know what to order next. It could also be order oil in this case. Okay, so I can also turn on the lights if I need more light on the glasses. So now it's pretty light, so I don't need that much light. But if it was a dark spot, then I could actually turn on the light on your glasses so I can see even more. And now I will turn the light off again. What I can also do is that I can also record video of what you're looking at. So I click this button and then we're recording a video of what you're looking at. You will see in the glasses that there's a line around the screen, and also there's a video camera blinking in the corner. So you can see that I'm recording the video. And after I'm finished recording the video, then I can turn it off like this. And then we can do like this. We can just engine check. Let's say it's that. So, and then I can just click enter if I want more text on the video. You can see that the video is already stored in my library. And when I say you, it's not Johnny. It's more like the people who watches this video. It's only the expert who can see what is saved here. So now I also save the tag on the video. What I also can do is I can share my screen. So if I want to share something, then I can go into my screen and then I can actually share different things like a Chrome tab, a window, or the entire screen. And then the person in the field would be able to see what I'm sharing. It could be a manual, a PDF file, where I can actually share the PDF file. I can zoom into page I need to. So it's easy for the person who needs help to get the help right away. They don't have to scroll a lot of pages or whatever. This is my webcam, so if I want to show my webcam or my picture to the person I'm helping, then if I click this one, I can see myself in the left corner, and the person can see me in all of the screen. Really good for personal services. So if it's for customer service, wanted to get more personal, of course. Yeah, we can put the link to or we can put a reference in. So we could put check engine, that is my call, is all about this. And again, I'm gonna enter. Save. So now I'm gonna save it in my library. Also, everything will appear up here, the call. Yeah. So now I can also send a message for Jenny. So it could be check oil. And I could translate that into French, for instance, and send the message to Jenny. So now he can see the message here, and it's in his glasses. It will be all over screen, so it's easy to use. And this, again, I'm hiding the message because what is important also about this system is the expert who does all the work. You only just have to listen to me and to be guided all the way. But we could actually also use it if we need to enter a number in a machine or something like this. Then it's much more easy to send the number. And then, they can see what's in the screen, and then they can put it in wherever. And in our messages are connected over here, they will also appear in the record. So again, I'm hiding the message. So what we can also do, if I need some help from other people, that I can click this one, and we can do it to a vertical. Then I can use this link. I can say copy and send it by my own mail to no matter who in the whole world. And they can click the link, and then they can say, they have to say yes to share the microphone. I put in their name, and then they will participate in this call. It's an encrypted link, so they can only use it when I invite, and after the call, the link is not working anymore. So it's safe for safety reasons, of course. So here's the two first. Here are the two first people in the corner, and then the next ones will appear over here. And like I had this red dot, they would also have a green dot, so they can also click their mouse and participate and talk about what's going on. They can participate via their computer, tablet, phone, or whatever they want. It's browser based, so they don't need any license or anything, any software. They just click to the link and then they participate in the call. What we can also do is we can also add more languages. So if, for instance, I didn't understand Johnny, if I speak English, and let's say he spoke French, then we could use the translation here. We can choose the languages. And in this case, when I click the play button, I will not show it in the call, but if I click the play button, then I speak English. Johnny will hear me in English first, then he will hear it in French afterwards, and then he will answer me in French. And then I will hear him, of course, and then I will hear the translation in English also. And then we can talk like this. So we can talk to people in languages that we never were able to before. So this is a really strong tool to communicate with people or customers all around the world. This is the final thing I will show in the system itself. So here we have the resolution of the call. So now we're in HD. But if it was a bad internet connection where we were placed, then we could put it to low, or we could click here to put low data mode in a faster way. So that way we can still see what each other is doing. If it was a bad internet connection, it might be, flickering, but now it would just be more blurry. But when you take pictures and all that, it will still be in really good quality, because the system will make up for the connection loss when we are in these cases with that connection. And when we are done with the call, Johnny will simply say navigate home, and then I will turn the program on.
Navigate home.
Then I can rate the call. I will not do that now. I could also go direct to the library or see my report. I also jump to that up here, because now you can see it. So you can every time you want to, you can click on the library, and then you can see all the calls in the library. So this is the call that we just made. We know when it took place, how long time it took place. We know who contacted And then we can see the information of the call. We can see all the different the messages that were saved in the call. As you can see, I made a spelling mistake here, so I could also go and check that. So here we could change that, check up engine like this, and then I can delete the other one. Could also be that I wanted this case number on it, so I could also add that if I wanted to. So now we have these information here. This is the information I put in the call. It was the order oil, so that we also have in this one. And then I can click here so I can see my report. So now it generated the report saying what the participants, all the same info and the reference, order oil, my pictures, the video I can play if I click here, and then also the messages from the call. So that way I can make a really fast report of what I just experienced in my remote support call. Yeah, and if I click actually the AI translation to start with and the summary would be part of the report. And if I click that one, then I will have all the information, all the different transcript of the call with everything that everybody said and also who said it. So I can see that.